Legend. A line in neutral. R1 relay. R1 relay. M1 magnetic contactor. OLP overload protector. Relay low pressure. LP low pressure switch. HP high pressure switch. Timer time delay. TS thermostat control. F fuse. Current flow here. Go to fuse. Go to thermostat. Go to timer coil, timer delay coil, go to neutral. The current flow like this. Thermostat on. Fuse okay, thermostat on. Current go here, stop here. Then goes there. Timer on. If you put set this one 3 minutes, this one will be contact after 3 minutes. Then the current goes over here. High pressure okay, low pressure okay, overload protector okay. Relay contact normally close okay. Then contactor will run, compressor will run. Example this one for compressor running. After your system not enough gas or any overload, any of this safety device trip, then this one will be energized. Then this one will be open. Then the compressor will be safety. No cut in, cut off. Why? Because the current goes by here, coming over here, go there. This one always on. This one on. Then the current flow here. This one is give line. Then this one bigger. The coil is bigger than your relay coil. That's why the neutral flow. Then it will energize this one. So that's called safety protection lock relay. Okay, please screenshot guys. Okay guys, thank you. Please follow and subscribe. Thank you.